Hello everyone, my name is Andy and we will have a look at the Nikkei futures on the Oanda platform for Thursday, October 19th. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 18th. Time is around 5:40 p.m. GMT. So yeah, corrective price action as expected. We are actually not doing much. Yeah, we still see two scenarios right here. Um, so we believe we are working on a WXY correction, but yeah, now we are doing this wave X, and wave X, just like wave B, can be quite complicated. And yeah, this is what we see right now. It's difficult to make sense of it. Like we see two patterns that can unfold, or the low can be in right here after three swings, 1 2 3, so the X low, and we start moving up from here. And so what we're doing now down is kind of a retest of this low, or this wave X is not finished yet, and then we have the scenario here in red where the W is situated right here. Then we had another wave X up right here, and now we are coming down as a wave Y. Both scenarios are equally valid. It's really difficult to say which one will play out. If the red one is playing out, it means we go into wave X area. So this here is our wave X area. If we take the length of the wave W, then here the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is our wave X area. As you can see, for the scenario in green, we did not reach this area. So it could be, if we get the scenario in red, then we do what we have to do actually, which is going into the wave X area. And we can be more specific about this wave X area. Like if we take here the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, excuse me, then here our wave Y of this X correction is supposed to end between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension, so into this red area. And then from here, we can expect again three waves up as a wave Y. So yeah, a bit difficult situation in the Nikkei, but actually it's the same for all the indices. Excuse me. We are acting corrective, and yeah, this makes it quite difficult. Like three waves is enough. After three waves, another three waves can follow. It can also be enough. It's not like an impulsive structure of five waves followed by three waves. This is easier to forecast. But now, corrective price behavior, I expect more of this, unless it can stop right here, that this is the retest and we take off. But yeah, if this was not here or wave X yet, then expect a more choppy price structure difficult to interpret. And then hopefully from here we can turn back up and things can become more clear. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.